Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial so I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. Last but certainly not least, blower. So to me, that kind of sounds like a waterfall almost of sound. So please keep all these effects in mind when you are creating your mixes. Again, if you're trying to create a genre mix in particular, if you're trying to create a hip hop or a dub mix, or if you're trying to create a house or a disco mix, right? Those two categories, right, are going to sound very different from one another. So the effects that you use have to be authentic to the genre, which is outlined in the B parts of the lessons. So when you actually go to create your mixes, there's an outline of different characteristics or traits that the genres have. And some of these effects are listed there. So be very mindful of that and make sure that you're looking at that when you're creating in You.DJ, creating a specific genre mix.